the system. Tells you arm, locks your doors. Want to hit this arm. Tells you disarm, the truck is off. Remote starting the truck, you press one time in the side, and that will remote start the truck. Okay. Keeps the truck running. You're gonna see the little report here. It lets you know that the truck is running by remote control. See the little fumes coming out of the back. Basically what you do, you can arm the alarm again once it's started. If you're not planning to go anywhere, if you're gonna turn it off because you want to get back in, you're more than welcome. What you do, you don't push the foot in the brake because I will shut off my remote start. What you do is you turn the key in the elevator in ignition. Once you push the foot in the brake, that shuts off the remote start, and then you can put the car in drive and drive away. Of course, when you arrive at your trip, you can turn off the truck and the truck is off. Let's say you want to get off and do a quick pit stop. You want to open the door of the house and you got people inside your truck, or you want to grab a drink somewhere real quick at 7-Eleven, but you don't want to turn off the truck for the heater purpose or the AC purpose. What you do is this button right here in the top, which is the antenna that's going to give you the long range, and it's got the blue LED light too. You press this button twice, and that will just turn on the pit stop. So you can remove the key, go inside the house, and the truck stays running. Of course, if somebody breaks in and pushes the foot on the brake, shuts off the system. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and arm the system. Panic button. If you hold the button down, you can fire the panic. As far as the sensor goes, somebody tries to bust out the lug nut locks to take the rims. Go ahead and turn off the alarm. And of course, if somebody opens, see how it tells you sensor on the top? If somebody opens, tries to Slim Jim your door and open it, the alarm will trigger. Okay, I'm gonna open it real lightly. See, it tells you door on the top, and it gives you a little picture of a door. So that way you know that the alarm has went off. Tells you the level of the battery right there in the corner. You can program the time, of course. That's basically it. Oh, what I like about this, when you arm it, tells you car number 1. In this remote control, you can switch from car number 1 to car number 2. So let's say you have 2 cars and you want to only have 1 remote control. You don't have to have 2 remote controls on the keychain. You can just have 1 remote control will operate 2 cars by switching over to car number 1. Car number 2 is by holding the P lock together at the same time. That switches it over to car number 1, and unlock and P, that will switch it over to car number 2. This is the Excalibur 1870. This was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And yes, we do have free mobile service.